Okay, guys, example number 2 here says an auto mechanic has 300 milliliters of battery acid. Okay? He's got battery acid. He has 300 milliliters of it in a jar or a container. And it's a battery acid solution that's 60% acid, so it's not 100% acid. He must add water to the solution, okay, to dilute it so that it is only 45% acid. Okay? So he doesn't want a 60% solution. He wants a 45% solution. How much water should he add? Okay? Well, look. I've got the original solution in my chart. I've got water, and he wants to know how much water, so I'm going to put X in how much water. And then the new solution, well, it's going to be 300 milliliters from the first one, plus however much water I have in it, right? So 300 plus X. But let's look at the formula that they gave us. The total amount times the percent of acid is equal to the amount of acid. Okay? The total amount of the solution times the percent tells me how much acid is in the solution. A 60% solution, that means out of 10 milliliters, 6 of them are acid and 4 are water. Right? 60%. Okay? Because we multiply. Alright, so here's the chart. The original solution is 300 milliliters of the solution. I know it's 60% acid. I know the amount of acid is 60% times 300. That tells me how much acid I have. Okay? Now, I know for water, I don't know how much I need. That's how much I want to know. It's 0% acid, so that means I'm going to get no acid out of that solution. The new mixture is going to be 300 plus the water, so 300 plus X. The percent of acid I need is 45%, right? And the amount of acid in the new solution is 45 or 0.45 times 300 plus X. How do I set this up? Tell me what equation I get from this stuff. Max?
You get 0.45 times 300 plus X.
I'm going to get 0.45 times 300 plus X, right? That tells me how much acid's in the new solution. What does that equal? Alexander?
Could you do the total amount of acid in the first solution?
In the original solution? Because it hasn't changed at all, has it? The amount of acid in the new solution has to be exactly the same as the acid in the old solution. We haven't added any acid. Right? We just added water. All right, well, let's multiply. What's 0.45 times 300? What is it, 135? 135 plus 0.45x is equal to, what's that? Is that 180?
Yeah, 180.
So let's subtract 135 from both sides. And I'm going to get 0.45x is equal to 45. And I'm going to divide by 0.45 on both sides. And I'm going to get that x is equal to 100. Is that right? So I need to add 100 milliliters of water so that the new solution's 45%. Yes? Does that make sense? Are we liking the chart? Is that helping us organize the information? All right. Good job here. Let's look at the next one.